How to create a new project visuals on your studio code in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this video I'll be simply showing you this thing in our PC right now. For this I will click on the Visual Studio Code button here on my account and then click on start a new file. There is a lot of option on the left you can see, but I will click on create a next and a new file for me, and here I will add text to it, and then I can edit anything I want. I can type anything I want. So this is how we can do this thing here you can code your website or anything you want to code. You can simply code here and then save it, and yes, you will get a layout of it. So this is all about the video, how we can do it. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel for watching these type of small updates and videos for all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.